Skin Vacuum Pro V Tool is a powerful vacuum suction tool for blackheads, whiteheads, acne, and excessive oils. The Skin Vacuum is amazing for cleansing the pores, with adjustable suction levels to absorb the entire blackhead and all the dirt located there, leaving nothing but a clean pore behind. Using traditional methods usually only removes the parts on the surface, so a couple of days later, they will appear as pores again. Black Friday 65% off sale is going on now. The product comes with 5 different sucking caps, each one of them being fit for a special use.